So hello everyone, this is Tech Guy, and today I'm coming up with something new that those that shops on Jumia, yeah, Jumia is the number one online shopping market in Africa, yeah, in Africa, because you can get a variety of goods in there, phones and tablets, health and beauty, like products, office and whatever electronics, computing, fashion, sporting goods, baby products, gaming, automobiles. Okay, so but the thing is, there are some things that you have to know when you are shopping on Jumia. Yeah, there are some things that you have to know when you are shopping on Jumia because recently a lot of people have been complaining if I buy this item, that's not what I got. This is because they don't check the product for. Yeah, so in Jumia, their products are divided into many categories, and some of the stores are available in. Some of the stores are available in abroad. Yeah, in abroad. So let me just go in and just show you some of the products that I'm talking about. Yeah, so for the Jumia, we have Jumia Express. Yeah, we have Jumia Express product. Um, okay, let me select gaming. Then we have Jumia Global. So for Jumia Global products, meaning the a store in which the product will be shipped from is in abroad. So the store in which the product will be shipped from is in abroad. Yeah, it's in abroad. Yeah. So for that, you'll be having a high delivery fee. A high delivery fee. Okay. So you realize in here, let me select ship from abroad. Yeah. So you realize this product is shipped from abroad. Yeah. So PS5 controller charger. Okay. Ship from abroad. So let me just go in there. Let me show you guys something. Okay. So realize the price is 120 Ghana cedis. Yeah. That's the price, 120 Ghana cedis. But the shipping fee is 26 Ghana cedis. That's door delivery, 26 Ghana cedis. And when you want to pick up uh, at their station, they have a lot of Jumia has a lot of pickup station all around the globe in Africa. Yeah. So in Ghana, they have pickup station the in all our regions, and same applies to the other African countries. So when you reach for postal shipping is free. Postal shipping is free. It's free for this. The item will be delivered to your local post office. Then you go get it. And pickup station, that's 28 Ghana cedis. And door delivery, 36. Yeah. And please, when you are shopping on Jumia, I always advise people to check this. The product that you are buying, kindly make sure to read more information about it. So read more information about the product details. Yeah, read more information about the product details. Sometimes you might see the product to be of a low cost. Sometimes you might see a product maybe a fridge, a television, maybe 100 Ghana cedis. But some people will end up buying it instead of them reading the product details, and they will end up buying some a miniature, there's some toys, television. Then they will later end up complaining. So kindly always read your product details. So in here, yeah. So what's in the box? Always read what's in the box. So what's in the box? So these are the things that you must be expecting. One times, okay, and a USB-C cable. So these are the things that you must be expecting. And kindly read the specification also. Okay, the specification also you must read it. Okay, so and check the images. So some of the products they will give you the dimension of the product. Yeah, they will give you the dimension of the product. So check the images very well and see. Okay, and read more about it. The product details. Yeah, and some of the product also they have. Those who have buy the product, they have put a feedback in here. So a verified feedback. So let me go in and check on the product that I have bought in here, and some product I gave a feedback on it. So I think I bought this one. I haven't yet give a feedback on this. So yes, as you can realize in here, my package was ordered. I ordered it. It was confirmed. It was shipped. It was delivered to me on the 17th. So that was 4 days. Okay, so in here, if you just want to track your order, it's easy. You can just go there, go to your orders, then you realize there's a track order. So you realize pending review. I just want to check a product where there are reviews on the product so that you guys can see for yourself. Okay, so let me check. Let me check this product. Yeah, so there's a 3-in-1 backpack, 3-in-1 multifunctional school business backpack with USB slot. Yeah, and the price is 51 cedis. 51 cedis. Okay, price 51 cedis. So I think it maybe it's cheap. Yeah, maybe it's cheap. So in here, realize 51 cedis. Okay, and the delivery fee is 17 Ghana cedis. Okay, so these are the product details. The backpack is made water resistant, light as for the word blah blah blah. It has. Realize the product details contains uh, everything you need to know about the product. So you just have to check the key features in here. You have the color black, the USB port. So what's in the box? As I said, always check what's in the box. So in here, this is the item you must expect. Okay, so let's go check our feedback. So you realize in here, verified customer feedback. So these are people that have bought the product and they have given feedback on what the product is like. So in here, this one said, didn't get what I wanted this time. The bag is too small for my use. I wish it can be changed for me. Satisfied with the delivery. Okay. This one also said, improve on the material you use. Change the material you use in making the bag. Use cotton. Okay. One also said, good and perfect. So you can go to see all. It fit my laptop perfectly. Okay, I love it. Fantastic. I like them, but it could have been better. I like it. It wasn't what I was expecting, but my package still uh, came my first time buying online. Okay, I don't like it. I wasn't satisfied with the 2 additional bags. Okay, at least the charging port should be seen. Okay, not bad. The same as I expected. Okay, buy this. Better expected, but it's not bad. It is not a proper bag, but it's good. Okay, everything is very good. I recommend it to all students. It was the same as the picture shown. The material is the best. Just as I saw, it is lightweight, nice. Thank you. Uh, Size is just perfect. Okay. Yes, we realize there are a lot of reviews in here. So you must always check the reviews. So after checking the reviews, you can determine whether you buy the product or you will not buy the product. So determine whether you buy the product or you not buy the product. Yeah. So these are the things that you have to check when buying Jumia. Yeah. You realize Jumia for Jumia, the Jumia online store consists of a lot of stores that are selling their products on Jumia. Yeah, so you realize you might see this backpack at 3-in-1 for 51 Ghana cedis, but you might see that same bag maybe on another store for maybe 30 Ghana cedis or maybe 1,000 Ghana cedis. It depends. You realize in here, this is the store, the store that's selling it. This is the store. And sometimes you can also check the seller, the rating that has been given to the seller. So realizing here the seller performance, we have order fulfillment rate good, quality score excellent. So in here, if you want to that follow him or her, you can just follow him or her. You can also go in there and check. Maybe you can go to the seller store and check more product that he or she is offering. So realizing here the seller is offering this kind of product. Yeah. Yes, as you can see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you can see so there are a lot of products in here. a lot of products. Yeah. Then, so when you go to the feedback tab and there's no feedback, meaning no one has bought the product yet. No one has ever bought the product yet, so there's nothing to review about. So yeah, so that's the things that you have to know when you're shopping on Jumia. Yeah, things that you have to know when you're shopping on Jumia. So if you want to know how to shop on Jumia, I made a video previously, so you can go check that out, or you can just click on the tab after the video is done. Yeah, you realize how to shop on Jumia. Just click on that tab, and you can go in there and watch that video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the next video, and always hit the bell icon. Yeah.